God damn, thank you guys. I was speaking to myself. I was muted. All right. So welcome. Welcome guys. Welcome to Forex Talk Over a Beer. Bienvenue à Forex Talk Over a Beer, la gang. Donc bienvenue. Welcome. So we're just going to get started in just a minute or so. Yeah, so I guess hopefully that sound is now good. Is it good? Is it good now? Do we have sound? Thumbs up. Emoji. What's up, guys? Oh, what the hell? All right. Can you guys hear me? Hopefully sound is back. All good now. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Yeah, I forget that YouTube has delays, right? All right, so let's see here some names. Woo! We got 47 people who actually went into that. Wow, okay. So I guess I wasn't ready for this. Chérie, tu peux-tu venir m'aider? Chérie, peux-tu venir m'aider? Okay. So the wife is going to help me. So as I'm speaking to you, she's going to enter some names in the wheel of name for the winners. So if there's people who didn't actually participate in the on Instagram, make sure you say I want in right now in the chat and we're going to do it. Fait que si tu veux venir t'installer ici à côté de moi, puis prendre ce clavier-là. Puis juste ici, tu vas pouvoir effacer ça, puis écrire tous ces noms-là, un après l'autre.
Sérieux?
Ouais, il y en a 47.
Je suis payée pour ça.
Ouais.
Il y en a 47?
Ouais, il y en a 47. Check ça. Check
non,
that.
là.
Ouais.
Okay.
So guys, say hi to.
Hello. Là, je fais enter? Okay.
Yes. All right, so thank you. All right, so I think that's gonna be fun. So yes, we're gonna draw a coupon for $100 for the course. So if anyone wants in, it's now time to write your name. Say I want in the chat on YouTube, and we're gonna add your name after. All right. So now let's get started with that episode. All right. So first thing first, if it's your first time here tonight, welcome. The concept is really simple. We're gonna have a beer together. All right, and we're gonna chat Forex. So basically, first thing first. And guys, if you're having a beer right now watching this episode, make sure you send a picture on Instagram, tag myself in it, and I will reshare it. And yeah, let's go. This is a double IPA. Yeah, double IPA here. And this is, hold on, wait a second. This is probably around, oh yeah, 8%. Boom, 8%. So that should be good. Cheers, guys. Cheers. It was an amazing week this week, so cheers. Hopefully everyone got some pips there. All right. Let's go.
These are some
Yeah, there's some weird names.
special names.
Yeah, that's Instagram, right? So, yeah. So I guess yeah, we're gonna get out there. We're gonna get there. Right. We're gonna get there. All right. So, you know what? Let me do this for a second. I'm gonna switch screen. Tu regardes-tu là ou t'en as?
Je regarde pas.
Tu regardes pas, tu fais juste faire enter puis that's it. Parfait.
Ouais.
Ok, magnifique. So let's do this. Is that gonna... Fais un test, bon, écrire un nom.
J'écris là.
Ok. C'est lequel que tu as écrit? Ça n'a pas marché, ok, fait qu'il faut que je reste là. Ok, c'est beau. Alright, so, first thing first. Hein?
J'ai dit c'est plate, il était long.
Alright, so thankfully she's fast on the keyboard, right? Mm-hmm. Alright, so now let's see if we can do... No, I'm not going to be able to see the chart at the same time. So, okay, alright. So, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so we got even more people to add in on YouTube now. Cheers, guys. Alright, so now let's see who had a winning day today with NFP? Then send some fire emoji if you had a winning day today. And let's see a thumbs down if you had a losing day today. I'm just curious here. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right, all right. Wow, the delay is long. Oh, fire emoji. Amanda got some win. Carlos got some wins also. All right, that's pretty good. Very good. So on my part, we're gonna break down today. We're gonna break down actually GJ. Actually GA. Sorry, GA had an amazing buy on GA. Went up like 60 pips. The only problem is goddamn NFP. The spread went up super fast. I was in a trade before NFP, and spread went high, like to 4 or 5 pips, 6, 7 pips at one time. Price retraced it a little bit. It took me out with the spread just before shooting a 60 pips up. I was like, so yeah, it's part of the game, right? All right, so we're gonna break that down. The other thing also I want to check with you is the oh, Nikki. What's up, Nick? So Nikki had a good win on NAS 100. I saw that this morning in our Discord. So good job, man. Good job. Do we have any? Okay. Okay, so let's see now. Let's see some questions here. Let's see. Anyone has some questions? Oh, I moved the mouse. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So anyone has any questions? Let's see if we have some questions here. Random questions. Before and after that we're gonna do the draw. And after that I'm gonna break down the chart. So let's see. Do we have any questions? Can be Forex questions, can be how to manage your account, can be pretty much anything, right? So let's see if we have any question coming up. Do you run MT4 on your Mac? And if so, what program do you use to run it? I know there's people using Parallel. I personally use my PC for MT4. So I have a Mac, I have my Mac Mini that is set up with my 49-inch, and I got another 20, I can't even remember, 27, 28 on my right, and on my left I got the Surface Laptop 3 Pro, I think, or whatever, and that is where I use my MT4. So no, I don't use it with my Mac, but I know there's people using it with Parallel. I know there's I think Zane come trains with us every morning, and I think he used Parallel also. I'm pretty sure you can find it on YouTube. What do you know about the golden ratio, Sasha? Oh, you talk about the golden zone? So the golden zone is a fib rejection between the 50 and the 60, 618, sorry. And price tend to most of the time reject in this area, right? So first I was trading only based on that, like in the beginning, and I had many losses. So that's why I decided to combine that with other confirmations, and since then it's been working pretty good. Wow. So après ça, on va juste ajouter ceux-là ici en haut. Il n'y en a pas beaucoup. No, c'est I want in. All right. So last chance, guys. If you want in for the $100 coupon, this is the last time. Last chance, I mean, sorry. Fait que ceux qui disent I want in à partir de là. Carlos.
Non, je l'ai pas.
Il n'y en a pas beaucoup, là. Fais juste faire ça que tu n'écris pas deux fois le même, là. Que je pense.
Oui.
Ouais, ok, c'est bon. The wife is doomed. All right, so did you catch? All right, parfait. Did you catch any fish over the weekend? Oh, look.
No.
She's laughing at me.
No. He tried.
I tried hard. I tried really hard, but man, it didn't happen. It's just like, yeah. I mean, fishing. I realized that ice fishing, is like trading. It's a long waiting period to actually get one fish. And that's not every day that's a trading day, right? Same thing with fishing. Same idea, same concept.
Can we take bonjour as a I'm in?
Bonjour, Tyler, you want in? Does Tyler want in for the promo code? Let's put Tyler.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Perfect, Tyler. So, you know what? Since we have a lot of people, what about? Okay, I'm good. Merci. All right. Man, that was quick. Jeez, fat. It's so popular. It's so popular here in Michigan, but I'm too scared to fall through the ice. I'm telling you, I was scared as, to be honest. Especially, I had to. Man, we came there and they said, "Yeah, you need to park your truck there." I'm like, "There, on the ice?" I'm like, "It's a brand new truck." I'm like, I'm not doing that." I'm like, "No way." There's no. So yeah, it's safe. It's safe. Man, I'm telling you, I parked the truck. I was looking at it. I was fishing, looking at my truck. I was like, God damn. Yeah, it was quite crazy. All right, so what about we do something crazy tonight? I'm feeling a little loose. So should we? All right, so let's see. Can we get some fire emoji? Do we do 3 winners today? Can we do 3 winners, or should I keep 1 winner? What about that? Yeah, I think I'm. Let's see if we can get, because right now we're sitting at 4 likes, right? And there's what, like 20-ish, 30 people. So let's get to at least. I mean, let's get to 15 likes. If we get to 15 likes, I'm gonna draw three promo code. So I'm gonna wait, and until we get 15, we're gonna break down the trade. All right, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the count. Once we get 15, we're gonna do the draw. Sasha, add my name to the draw. Okay, you're lucky, man. You're last minute here. All right, so this is who says that? The Forex Matador. All right. All right, so I'll just add you to the draw. All right, so now let's do the breakdown. Hey, cheers, guys! Again, if you're having a beer with me right now, send me a picture on Instagram or post it on your story and tag myself. I will reshare it. Cheers. All right, so now let's break down this trade. This trade was, I'm telling you, I was look at this. Woohoo! That was pretty good, man. That trade was just amazing. All right, so what happened here? Okay, so let's see what happened. Would have been nice if you added names last week during a giveaway. Oh yeah, that was a different giveaway. Yeah, that was a different giveaway. I didn't, and this one I have no specific rule. I just say on Instagram, anyone who wants in, let's do it, right? So it was a different draw. I posted specific rules, so I need to follow those rules. If not, it's not fair, right? So, all right. So now let's get back to it. Okay, so let's grab an arrow here. So first thing first, this price. I mean, price pushed up, created a new high. Price came down, formed support in this golden zone, which is pretty nice. And this candle closed bullish, looking good for buys. To be honest, looking at 1 hour, it was the 5 a.m. Hold on, wait a second. 5:30. Yeah. When this one closed, okay, at 5:30, I was on the chart. So when this one closed, was it this one? Oh yeah, it was straight this one. Yeah. So when this one closed, I actually want to go in that trade, but I had to set up my OBS for our students and blah blah blah. So basically, turn around, came back, and finally price was in drawdown. It's just like it was actually on this one. Sorry, it was on the close on this one, on the opening of this one on 1 hour. Sorry about that. yeah, so this 1 hour closed nice bullish in the golden zone. For me, it was a buy for sure. But I had to set up my stuff. So I was like, all right, so I'm going to wait for price to retrace down a little bit. I'm going to grab an entry. I don't know who was watching over my shoulder, but I was busy setting up my stuff and price went straight down. And I look, I'm like, whoa. I'm like, thank God, and it took an entry. I actually told that to my student. I was like, I was lucky on that one. So basically, so now after this, I kind of waited. So this closed doji. So at this time, there were no confirmation. But what happened after that is on the 30-minute, this one at 7:30 actually formed support here, broke a tiny bit above the QP. Let me grab the arrow here. So broke a little bit above, and at this time it's 7:30, and this one is 8. This is just before NFP news. We are expecting good numbers. That means gold should go down, right? And if gold goes down, most of the time AUD is going to lose strength because AUD is really connected with gold, right? So I was like, all right, so price should continue up. So let me grab an entry. So I actually grab an entry. Price went up to 11 pips kind of quickly. What I did is I placed my auto break even because I was expecting for price to continue up with the news, but I want to play it safe. So at 11 pip, I kind of closed 25% only, put my stop at break even and wait. And I waited for the news to come in and NFP. NFP came down with the spread, took me out, and bam! shoot like, oops, I moved this, sorry. And shoot what, like 60 pips. So I think the trade was there. I think it was pretty good. And unfortunately, it didn't play. I was not able to. Actually, I grabbed another, sorry. I closed 25% at 11 pips, and I closed another 25% at 15 pips. That's true. I almost forgot about that. So I had 50% running, and unfortunately, got stopped at break even. But yeah, so I'm going to keep that in my book, in my journal, because I think the analysis was right. I think I just need to play smarter with my stop loss when a big news like this happened. So me, I've been looking at the NFP for at least a year and a couple months. And this is actually the first time I was actually trading the NFP news. First time after a year and so watching it. And GJ on the other end was doing nothing at this time. It took a while. It took like 8:30, finally start to push, but nothing crazy, right? But we actually called a sell. In our group for the gold. Gold actually played out. We went to actually call a sell right here. Sell. It was on the break of this minor support. So price came down and pretty well. I mean, to 70, 60 some picks, 68 pips, right? Yeah, 68 pips. So that was pretty good. So called the sale with our students, and some people got it, and I think it was pretty good. I think we have one guy trading gold, so that was pretty good. Yeah, so that was the trade from today. So that was pretty exciting. Hello Simon, hello. All right, so we are at 10 likes. So we have 10 minutes to get to 15. If not, I'm only going to do one draw. If we get to 15 likes, I'm going to do 3 winners. So make sure you smash that like button, guys. All right, so now let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see the trade from... What the hell was that? Wow, that was scary. I don't even know what was this sound. All right, Trixie. All right, so let's talk about the trade from yesterday. Okay. I want to talk about this trade here. I want to give you this trade. I actually posted it on IG today. There was a trade, yesterday trade on GA. This was amazing. And to be honest, this is one of my favorite trade, probably one of the best trade, meaning that everything was in confluence, everything was working out, and I actually didn't take it. And the reason why is I stick to my rules. Stick to my rules of getting 3 trades per day max. And unfortunately, only already had 3 trades on my on GJ. But this, I called it on the live stream. You can actually rewatch it also. The video is in the channel. But this was pretty perfect. To be honest, the only thing that was missing to this trade, it was an engulfing candle. That was the only thing. If this candle would have print like, what's up? What's up with this arrow? Usually it's black and big. What's up with that? Where's my, what? Okay, let's put it back and let's do it like this kind of. Yeah, here we go. So, all right. So this, if this candle would have closed engulfing, would have been even better, right? Even better. But since it was a smaller candle, I think for better confirmation, we need to break this high. So basically, we had support form right at a major QP in the golden zone, rejecting the golden zone. And now we got this new 30-minute breaking the high, put stop under, and let it go. Man, I think this trade was just perfect. And this trade went to, hold on, wait a second. Why is this over there? Whoa. Okay, let's let's bring it down. I don't know what happened here. That's a little intense. But this trade went to, boom. So basically runners actually went to, wait a second, is that 127 pips? Yes, 127 pips, I guess. Yeah, and full TP was my major QP here. So basically, if I wasn't that trade, that was my full TP, and that full TP got hit eventually. So I think this trade, to be honest, I kept it in my journal, and the reason why I think everything was in place to be a very, very good trade. And I'm never too greedy too. So if you see, when we reach that resistance, I says second partial at resistance plus wick fill, right? So that's it. That's exactly what happened. So we wick fill this, right? So that was the second partials, and full TP is right here. Yeah, I think that was pretty decent trade here. I mean, amazing trade. To be honest, this is one of my, I really like that one. Now let's go back to a trade from yesterday also that I actually, yesterday's stream, if you didn't watch yesterday's stream, you should rewatch it. I think yesterday's stream was probably one of our best trading, I mean, calling trade wise, kind of. I don't know if I said that right in English, but basically called a gold sell, called a GA sell, called a GA buy, called a GJ buy. Everything was working out. So I mean, we had one loss on GJ, but the rest was all winners. I didn't took all those trade, of course, because I'm limited to 3. But I think you should, and you want to rewatch yesterday's stream, because I mean, I think there's a lot of good stuff in that stream. So by the way, guys, we're missing 2 likes to do 3 winners tonight. So 2 likes to get 3 winners for a coupon of $100 for the course. All right, so let's take a look at the last trade. And okay, let's see if we have any question here. What was the biggest obstacle when you switched from your normal job to a Forex full-time? Oh, that's actually a good question, but I'm not full-time. And the reason why is I don't want to be full-time. And it's really simple. I'm a very active guy. I like what I do. I'm really passionate about what I do. I have the chance to work with my dogs every day. So I'm director of sales for a high-end dog food company. So for me, it's just like it's fun. And my schedule is I trade between 5:30 and 9 a.m. So if I'm done after that, what I do the rest of the day, I'm the guy that needs project and needs something, and I cannot just be sitting and chilling and just like I'm not that kind of guy. I mean, I need to do stuff, right? So for me, I'm still having a lot of fun doing that, and I still have a lot of challenge. The day that I don't have any more challenge, and I don't enjoy myself doing that work, I'll stop. But until then, I'm just having fun, right? So yeah. And again, I was like, why? For me, it's not stopping me from trading. So why should I stop? Especially that I'm enjoying it and I'm really passionate about it. Hey, cheers, guys. Um. All right, so we're missing 2 likes, guys. 2. Ted says he's always been well off trading Forex and making good money since 2014-15. Here's a court case. The mother of his wife. Oh, okay. I don't know what kind of thing you're trying to bring here, but this is a chill stream. We're not talking about drama here, right? Yeah, so yeah, I mean, no comment like that, please. Was an amazing 95 pips runner on my end after a nap. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Right, what the hell does that? Yeah, exactly. Did you ever struggle with closing losers early, and how did you fix that? Oh, I think that's a really good question. At first, yes. At first, I had problem closing my trade when it was in a losing situation. But when I understood that keeping my losses small was making actually my winners bigger, and that's the only way you can be profitable at the end, to be honest. So you need to be focusing on that. But it's mentally it's hard, at first. But I guess it's just time. And I'm sure you're tired of hearing this, but time will do it. And to be honest, it is. It's just like it's part of the process. Just marry the process and just go with it, right? All right. So guys, we're missing 2 likes here. Come on, what's up with that? What's up with that? Okay, guys, give me 1 sec. I need to adjust something here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, by the way, guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, don't forget to do it. So you'll know next time we go live. Activate notification, right? All right, so let's see here. Did you ever struggle? Okay, I answered that. Perfect. Okay, so let's take a look at the one last trade here. What about what was the, oh yeah, the third attempt on GJ. All right, so I think that was pretty good also. To be honest, let's remove this here. Let's do this. All right, so this is a good example here of a dogtail setup. So basically we had this, oh, let me grab the arrow. Right here. Hey, you're late again. What's up with that, man? What's up, Kasim? All right, guys, so don't forget to smash that like button. We're missing 1 like to do 3 winners. If not, I'm doing only 1 winner. All right. All right, so let's see here. Okay, so we had this candle closing above this 750 QP. So for me, it's a good indication of price, which should continue up and visit next QP, right? So what happened is next candle actually retested with a tail. So that dog tail setup here. So we had that dog tail retest. Took entry when broke the high. And boom, the rest is history. Partial TP got closed at, I think it was like 12 pips if I'm not wrong. Move stop to break even. And after that, my second partial was at this major QP here at 150. Closed another 50. And my full TP was this QP here on 250. So close full. And again, price came up over here, and price rejected after that. So that was a pretty good trade also. And this one was at 8 a.m. Was it the 30-minute? Yes, 30-minute. Pounds to try the funding talent challenge. Actually give it a try, the funding talent challenge. And I tried it to make sure that everything was good and blah blah blah. And I was actually trying it also for myself, and everything was good. The first week was terrible. So I'm gonna repeat the same story here because a lot of people is asking for it. But so first week went terrible. So after that, I was on kind of a making back, and at the end, I was there, I was getting there, and I was kind of rushing because I only had a couple of days left for that challenge. I was kind of rushing. I kind of did an attempt on swing trade from from Asian session to NY Open, so overnight for me. So I did that. It went into drawdown first. After that, actually hit TP. So I was pretty happy with that. So all right, that's pretty awesome. So in my NY Open time, I actually took a trade, went into drawdown first. After that, went to TP, and suddenly I received an email said I violated. I did the I broke the rules basically on drawdown. I was like, wait a second, how come? And I just realized that, oh man, I'm so dumb. I completely forgot that the drawdown from Asian session, for me, it's like the day before, right? Because I'm sleeping. It's a new day. So in my mind, the drawdown from that Asian session doesn't count towards today because it's a new day. But I'm just dumb because yeah, that's me, So anyways, completely forgot about that. So anyways, so broke that rules and challenge gone, right? So it is what it is. But whatever happened with that challenge, I always said previous to that, I was saying after this challenge, if I pass it or not, I'm focusing on my own fund, right? Because I have the chance to have money to trade with, right? So I have a pretty decent account balance, right? That I can trade. So I'm trading that, and I want to focus on that. So that was the idea before losing that challenge. So anyways, so long story short, you got it, and this is probably the fourth or fifth time I explained that. But yes, am I gonna try it again? I don't think so. So yeah. And by the way, I still think that funding talent is amazing. It's perfect. I mean, perfect. I don't know perfect, but it's amazing. I think it's great. It's a great program. But for me, I just want to focus on my own money. Hey guys, cheers. Man, we're missing one like. You guys serious? One like. We're missing one like to get 3 winners. Man, we're running out of time right now. What is your take on new traders starting off with a small account versus large account? Would a small account entice someone to take bad trades, having subscriptions urge to flip their accounts? Oh yes. Forex Matador, you have a great question, and I think that one of the reason retail traders lose is because they have a small account, because they're being greedy, because people's greed, right? So what happened is, let's say you see your trade going into profit, and you see the money wise, you see the money numbers, you're looking at it like, oh man, that's only $20. I'm gonna let it go. And so the price reverse, and you're taking out, right? Because for $20 for you, it's nothing. But if it was a larger account, it was probably like 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, right? Same trade. So that's why I tell people, don't look at the money. Look at the pip count. Who cares about the money? Look at the pip count and focus on that, and money will come, right? So just focus on the pip count, and money will follow eventually, all right? So don't look at the money. What mistake did you make often that went against your trading plan? Oh, at first, overtrading or revenge trading at first. Oh man. If you lose one trade, I'm like, screw this, I'm gonna get it back. And I went to a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 10, 12 trades in one day. And yeah, that was probably one of the worst thing. Oh, congrats, guy. We got 15 likes. Woohoo. Yeah, Kasim says 100% small account are a killer. Yeah, definitely. Especially if you look at the money, man. That's why when I tell people on MT4, you can select pip count or money count. Put pip count. Don't look at the money. All right. All right. So I guess we're ready now for this draw. All right. So we're gonna do 3 winners, guys. All right. So 3 people is gonna win a coupon code. That's worth for $100 USD for the course. So basically, let's do it. I've heard of advice that's. Or wait a second. I've heard of advice that says to focus solely on taking high quality trade. The money will follow. Having small account would distract you from focusing only on high quality setups. It is kind of true, and it's something I've been telling my student also. It's less quantity, better quality. I know chase setups and dogtails. Yes. All right. So let's spin that wheel. All right. Let's spin it. Are we ready? Do you enter trade after NYSE open? After that, rarely. Rarely. Maybe London close. That's probably the latest I'm gonna take a trade. Because after that, volume slow down. Can you add me? Oh man, you're last minute. All right, let's do it. You lucky. I had a pretty amazing day. So let's do it. And after, this is last chance. So after I write this name, if you didn't say add me, it's done. Donnie. Whoops. Also, wait a second. Donnie. Man, that beer was strong. I don't even know how to write anymore. Hey, cheers, guys. Dovin. E.N. Ash. Here we go. All right. So let's shuffle that again. There we go. Me too, me too, me too. Oh, man. You guys. All right. So. Yes, Ellie. All right. Let's do this. Let's shovel. So we got 55 people on that draw. All right. So let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Hold on. Let's change my filters here on the mic so you can hear the volume, the sound of this wheel. Filters. Let's remove this, and this. All right. What about the sound here? Sound. All right. So I guess sound is pretty good. All right. Let's do this. What about starting a small? Let's answer that question after this. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Press click to. Oh, okay. Woo! All right. So we got the first winner here. So we got R2R Shane. All right, is R2R Shane on the live right now? So let's remove him. Oh man, that was really close to Kasim. Shit, boy. All right. So let's see here. All right. So let's put the sound here. Sound. Mac Mini. All right, let's do this. All right, let's do this. You guys ready? Let's spin it. Ooh. All right. So second winner, we got Mestre Gonzalez. All right, Mestre Gonzalez. All right, second winner. Damn, son. All right, let's remove him so he doesn't win twice in a row. Let's shuffle this thing. And are we ready for the third one? Let's do it. All right, so let's go. What about you? Is Mestre Gonzalez live right now? Do you have it? All right, so let's see here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, all right. So we got G. Frederick 119. G. Frederick 119. All right. So we got our 3 winners here. Yeah, congrats on the winners, guys. And maybe we're going to do more of those. I think it's fun. Man, I think this beer is way too strong. So I think I'm going to do a 4th one just for... Because, I mean, you know... All right, I'm feeling it. So let's do a bonus one. Because you guys are amazing, right? So I want to do a bonus one. All right, so let's do a bonus one. Man, I'm on fire. Wait, what did I win? You did win? Kasim, you win? Hold on, what's the name of your account? It's, no, you didn't win. You were close to win, though. But it's a coupon code for the course. It's $100 USD. Yeah, that beer hit me quick. All right, so let's do a bonus one. Let's shuffle that. Bonus. All right, so let's do I want to see some fire emoji. Okay, let's see some fire emoji, and we're gonna do a bonus one. All right, let's shuffle it again for the luck. Here, shuffle. Here we go. Fire emoji, come on. Cheers, guys. And don't forget, if you're watching this episode, having a beer with me, send me a picture or tag myself in it in your story. All right, so we're getting some fire emoji right here. All right, let's go. All right, let's do a bonus one. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, boom. All right, so we got Moroy or Moroy _ Moroy. All right, so we got 4 winners for tonight, and maybe we're gonna do some more of those. It's fun. But yeah, I guess that's it for tonight. Yeah, I think it was pretty fun. Was it fun? I think it was fun. Yeah, congrats to our winners. Cheers. And guys, don't forget, we gonna have live session on... Wait a second. We're gonna have live session on Tuesday. It's the weekend tomorrow. So yeah, weekend. We're gonna have our first group training with our students. So basically, what we're gonna do, just to give you an idea of what kind of stuff it's included in the mentorship. So basically, we're gonna get all together. Everyone needs to bring one trade, either a winning or losing trade, and we're all gonna watch it together. So basically, we're gonna break it down and see how it didn't work or why it worked. And I think anyone from the group can learn from this. So this is one of the examples that we do. Last week we did a simulation all together. So today, Sunday is our first group training. We got some one-on-one going on. So it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. So basically, next time we go live, it's next Tuesday. So next Tuesday we're gonna be live on the stream starting at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. Don't miss that. If you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, do so. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend, guys. Cheers.